Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. We are learning here Excel automation. So in this series, today we will learn the how to protect the Excel sheet and how to unprotect the Excel sheet with password and without password. We have see here both the scenario and understand the how it's work. So let's go to the UiPath and create a workflow and see the example. So here you can see the screen. I'm in the UiPath studio. So here you need to create a new workflow. So I'm creating a new workflow. Control N and writing the protect sheet. Protect sheet and creating the workflow. So this is the workflow. So here I'm using the activities Excel application scope, and then we select the file that we are working on. So I'm selecting here file dump data 2 and open that file. So file is here. Now I'm taking a new activity that is a already I have told you the invoke VBA code. Invoke VBA activity. So using this activity, we are here protect the seat and unprotect the seat. So firstly, using this activity, we need to write the VBA code in a any one file, notepad file. So here I am already written a notepad code in the notepad. So you can see here. So I have written here the two codes. One is how to protect the seats, and another is unprotect seat. So without the password. So I have saved this file with the protect name. So in this code, I will describe you. So in this code, what we can do. So here I have created a one function is that a protect seat function. This is a function name. And in this function, what are we doing? So seats dot data row dot protect. So data row is just seat name, and dot protect is a for protecting the file seats. So in the below after that we close the function and the function. So after that, again, I have created another function that is unprotect seat, and we are doing the same. Here I'm using the keyword is the unprotect. So I hope you understand this code, VBA code. So I have saved this file with protect.vbs extension. So I'm using this file here. So I'm click here and select the protect seat. Protect seat, and here providing the function name. So firstly, you can see here I'm for protecting the file I have created the function is a protect seat. I'm copying this and function and paste it in the main, because here coming the main, because main is a by default function, so that's why showing here the main. So I have put it here the function name. Now save this file and run this code. So before running the code, I will show you the actual file that we are working on. This is a file. So you can see here that this is a data row sheet, row data sheet, and you can see here this is a unprotected sheet. So after the running code, it will be protected sheet. So go to the UiPath and run this program. So our firstly protect it, maybe I cannot be able to. So we are giving the error, can't run the microprocessor. So stop that firstly and close the Excel file. Okay, don't save. And here again run this code. So this is a running file. So it's run. Now you go to the Excel file and see the output. So this is a file. You can see this is protected. I'm not able to change here anything. So you see the how to protect the seed. So now we can go to the UiPath and change the function name, because in the another function I have write the code for the unprotected the seed. Okay, so I'm copying this and providing in the here. Now using this code you can unprotect that seed. So if you want to we are doing in the using the code, you want to unprotect the seed manually, so you can click on the seed and you can see here unprotect the seed. You can also do from here. So I'm writing the code for the unprotection the seed. So now I'm running the code again. So now it's completed. Go to the Excel sheet and see it says unprotected or protected. So click here. This is the unprotected. Now you can see here sheet is unprotected. So now we again we see the how to protect with the password and how to unprotect without with password. So see that scenario. So go to the UiPath and after that go to the notepad and change the here code. So I'm copying this again and writing the below. Okay. So here unprotected protect, here I'm writing protects it with password. Okay. So this is the function name. Here I'm using sheets.data row.protect a space here password password equal to in the double quote r at 123. This is the password. Okay, I'm providing the password. So this code we are using this function. So then our sheet will be protected with password. So how to unprotect that sheet? So we need to copy again and paste it the for the unprotection. So you here write the unprotect and here also provide the unprotect. So we have created the both function here. So I'm see one by one again. So I'm firstly see the how to protect with password. So copy this function and paste it here. Paste Control S. Now again, firstly see this file you can save. So this is not saved. So again I save this file and go to the UiPath and run this file again. So now process is completed. Now go to the Excel sheet and see protected. So when you try to unprotect this, so you need the password. So I'm here doing the cancel here, and now I'm trying to unprotect with the password. So I have already written the code. Then copy the function name here, unprotect, and put it here. Save again and run this file. So it's completed. Now you can see the Excel. This is the unprotected sheet. So now I will here, you can able to here change the data. So I hope you understand the all the four scenario, how to protect, how to unprotect with password and without password. So if you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We'll provide the solution. That's it for today. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.